Hey YouTubers, welcome to Functional DIY. This is an old gate that I had built for my mother-in-law several years ago, and it was rotting off the hinges and needed to be replaced. So this is my build to replace that gate. I had come across some wood at a glass company that they were using to transport their panes of glass, and it was kind of like pallet wood, rough. This is a picture of it here. Mostly 2x3s and 1x4s. So I figured I would cut some grooves down into the 2x3s and just set the 3/4 inch planks down into the grooves. And I was going to make a perimeter out of the 2x3s. So this is what the groove looked like. I used my table saw to cut in about a 3/4 inch groove on all four sides, top and bottom rail, and a left and right rail. And I actually cut the groove a little over 3/4 inch just so the planks would be able to slide in fairly easily. There's the Titebond 3 glue that I used because it's waterproof and it's rated for outdoor use. So I marked 45-degree angle on my cuts and cut those on my miter saw, and this is how they looked afterward. And then I was ready to cut the planks to length. So I went over to my miter saw, cut about 11 planks is what my calculations came out to for a 60-inch long gate. And these are the planks cut to length, and the nice rough pallet wood look that I was looking for the gate. So this is the top and bottom rail and the two side rails with the grooves cut in them, and it's ready for the glue up. So I laid them out on my assembly table, had my square there to make sure everything was square, but plenty of glue on those miter joint corners and a screw through them, through each joint as well, as to give it some extra holding power. Glued in that first plank, and then I started sliding in each plank after that until I had proper spacing, and then glued up the end piece, put screws in that as well. And then I put it up on its side so that I can get ready to space out the planks accordingly, leaving just enough room between each plank, just basically to keep the dog from getting out. So with each plank, I put plenty of glue. There's the spacer that I used at the top and bottom gap. Drove in a few brad nails on each side of the gate to hold those planks in place, and while the glue dried. So that went pretty quickly. And after I had it all finished, I had it all set up on its edge, did some sanding of the rough areas. Not too much sanding because I wanted that rough look. And once I had that finished, I went ahead and laid it down on the floor and gave it a once over, top and bottom, both sides, with the sander again. I didn't bother trying to get that printing off because I was going to paint it. But if you were going to stain it, then you might want to put some more emphasis on getting that ink off of there. So here it is ready for the paint, and my sister-in-law wanted a dark brown, so I went ahead and gave it a nice, pretty heavy coat of dark brown paint, both sides, all the gaps. Made sure to hit those gaps where the water might pool, the rainwater over the years. I put 2 hinges on that I had found. I treated those with anti-rust paint, and here she is ready to mount. So thank you. Like and subscribe if you would like, and have a good day.